Hello everyone. As a language learner, I'm always interested in bilingual texts. I mean, texts in English and German, for example, or if I'm learning German, texts side by side, German and Turkish ones, I mean. And it's easier to read German texts by looking at the Turkish translation or the English translation. But it's sometimes difficult to find such bilingual books or texts together. I'm going to show you a new way to do that now. Actually, I used to merge English and German or Turkish and German texts manually, but I'm tired of doing this. I decided to say goodbye to this. And I knew I could do that thanks to ChatGPT. With just a few lines of Python code, you can streamline this process and save valuable time. In the video, you'll learn how to copy your English text into one variable and the German text into another. The code will automatically split both texts into separate lines and then merge them in the desired format. By leveraging Python's power, the code ensures that each line of the English text is paired with its German translation in a neat and orderly manner. The resulting merged text will follow the desired pattern, with each line of English followed by its corresponding German translation. So, no more manual copying, pasting, and arranging. With this automation, you can focus on more important tasks while the code takes care of the merging process for you. Here you can see the two lines of codes. Text 1 is going to be copied and pasted here, and text 2 is going to be pasted here, which could be German or English, from English to German. You have to download the Python from python.org. Choose the best operating system. This is the latest version for Windows. And here are the other operating systems that you can download. Paste the texts here. I mean, the first text, which is in German, as you see here. And then comes the second text, which is in English. And you paste the text to be merged. And the second part is in English and the first part in German. And the code goes on like that. You need to copy from text 1 till the end, copy it, and then paste it to Python. You see the merged text as printout, then you can copy the whole text. You can use Ctrl+C and then paste it to see the merged text. Whether you're a language enthusiast, a translator, or simply someone who frequently deals with parallel texts, this Python solution is your time-saving companion.